Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we have some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys. So we're going to be taking a look at the Merry Christmas sale. This is basically part 2. It's now through 12/26, guys. So there was a part 1 where they had a Merry Christmas sale, and that ended a couple days back, and now this is a second sale. They're still naming it the Merry Christmas sale, but this is now through 12/26, and we got some new items for you guys. So like always, we're going to go ahead and touch on the things that we've had some experience with, whether it's good or bad, or stuff that we've heard that's either good or bad. I do apologize if I missed something that you guys want me to speak on. However, if somebody else out there has some good or bad stuff to speak on some of the items that I miss, or even the items that I talk about, if you agree or disagree, please put it in the comment section below. That way we can all see your guys' opinions. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So right off the bat, we got the Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set. It's going to be a 301 piece. Original price is $199. It's on sale right now for $169.99. So like I've said before, guys, I don't have a lot of experience with the tool sets from Harbor Freight, but they can be a good deal. For $169.99, it's not bad. However, I do think maybe you can find a better deal somewhere else. And here's the setup right here. Looks like it's a nice case, and these are lifetime warranty. So here's another tool set. It's a 130 piece for $29.99 on sale. Original price is $39.99, so not a bad deal there. Moving on. Here we have a Pittsburgh wobble socket extension set, 9-piece. Original price is $14.99. It's on sale right now for $9.99. I have this exact set, and I could tell you it's not a bad set. I haven't used it extensively, but the times I've used it, I have not had an issue with it. Especially for that price point of $9.99, you definitely can't beat it. And also you get that lifetime warranty, guys. So if you need some extra socket sets or a cheap set to throw in your car or to have lying around the house, it's not a bad deal there. Same with these Pittsburgh fully polished SAE combination wrench set, 9-piece, and they got the other set here. You could get SAE or metric. They're both going to be on sale for $7.99. Original price is $9.99. Not a bad deal there, guys, but just as a reminder, they are cheap wrenches. However, they get the job done in a pinch. These are good for also grinding down or cutting and modifying the tool to be able to fit into a specific place if you don't want to cut up or mess up your higher end set. And again, if you want to throw it in the back of your car, have extra tools lying around, if they get lost or damaged, you're not out a lot of money. So moving on. So here is actually a set that we have had in the past. This is the, sorry about that. This is the Quinn 1/4 inch, 3/8 and a 1/2 inch drive SAE and metric set, high vis socket set. It's a 66 piece. Original price is $59.99. It's on sale right now for $49.99. Not a bad deal on this. I actually really like this set. The only thing, and I've talked about this before, the only thing I did not particularly like was the socket wrenches. I had a lot of issues with the selector switch malfunctioning and flipping all 360 degrees. I've had issues with the screw heads here coming off. But as far as the sockets goes, never once had an issue with the sockets. We ended up warranting out the whole set. We got a brand new set, and I ended up giving it away to my brother-in-law so he could have a set. I no longer needed it. But maybe I just got a bad batch of socket wrenches. I don't know, but not a bad set. I just did not like the socket wrenches. So maybe get the set. They do have lifetime warranty, and Harbor Freight is really good warranting out that. So it might not be a bad deal for you guys. Moving on. Here's something we've been interested in. It's a Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Original price is $27.99. It's on sale right now for $19.99. I don't have any real experiences with the bottle jacks. However, if anybody out there has had any good or bad experiences with the bottle jacks, please put it in the comment section below. We were actually looking for a bottle jack. I think it was sometime last year. We were gonna go for these, but at the time they were not on sale, and we went with a different brand that was around the same price. So although if the bottle jacks are good, anybody out there's got some good stuff to say about them, I don't see why you wouldn't pay that $19.99 price tag. It's a pretty good deal. Even at $27.99, that's very competitive with other bottle jacks that are out there. So I guess it's just based on your preference. So moving on. Not much for us here, guys. I do apologize. I don't want to make the video too long. There's a lot of stuff I could probably hit on, but so here's something. Here's these Pittsburgh Automotive nylon pry bar installer kit, 4-piece. Original price is $8.49. It's on sale right now for $4.99. We do have a kit similar to this. It's not the exact ones, but these are really great to have. For installing anything or popping off molding and trim. And for $4.99, you can't beat that, guys. So not a bad deal there. Here's another thing that we've talked about in the past. This is the metal 30 caliber ammo can. Original price is $14.99. It's on sale right now for $12.99. These are always good to have. You could put any kind of stuff in there that you want, and it's going to keep it airtight and watertight. Camera equipment, ammo, tools, you name it. If you want it protected, this will definitely protect it. Sturdy, weather-resistant ammo can protects ammunition, fishing gear, and electronics. So highly recommend those, guys. And the ones from Harbor Freight are probably going to be the best quality and bang for your buck. I've looked at my local sporting goods stores, and for the same quality, they're just ridiculous price. So I usually end up getting all mine from Harbor Freight anyway. So moving on. Got some McGraw air compressors. Here's a Syntex 6 to 12 volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead. Original price is $3.99. It's on sale right now for $2.99. This works fantastic. Even though it's fairly cheap, I've never had an issue with it, and it always keeps ticking. So not a bad deal there, especially if you want an extra one just lying around or leave it in your car. Actually, this specific one I usually leave in my vehicle for emergency purposes only. So not a bad deal there. And that is it, guys. Not very much for our Christmas savings sale. It's not very much, but there's still a few items there that's not a bad deal to go ahead and grab. Low key, I'm a little disappointed. I figured they would have a lot higher end stuff on sale, like some Daytona stuff, the US General carts and stuff, but right before this, for the Black Friday, they did have some really good deals going on. So Maybe for the New Year's is when they're going to step it up. But I was expecting a little bit more for Christmas, for the Christmas sale. But, however, still some good stuff. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There is your Merry Christmas sale. Shop and save today, now through 12/26. So you have until 12/26 in order to pick up any of these deals that you guys are wanting. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There's your Harbor Freight savings. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please take the time out to go down there and hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. As well as a lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers. So if you guys haven't already, please go down there and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it's going to help continue to grow the channel and for me to continue to bring you guys content. So anyway, guys, there you have it. As always, if you like this video, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. If you'd like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.